surely we cannot be so stupid to go and just say we are bringing a disease and carrying it and sprinkling it amongst our people. No, no, no. We are actually being proactive. In the event this disaster hits, what do? So we must be prepared for both the citizens of Kenya and also be prepared because we are a significant player within the international arena. So this is sometimes how you are misinterpreted or how we are misinterpreted, but you have the nerve, you have the resilience to be able to withstand and be able to project and explain some of these situations effectively to our other people and to the citizens of this country. So as you undertake your exercise, as you do your interaction today, just know that you carry a lot of load. Sometimes that famous phrase, weka mawe, that is used. I don't know whether they know exactly the implications of that, because it's a weight. If somebody puts those stones on your shoulder, or those weights, it's not easy to lift. So you have been doing a lot of heavy lifting.